In the rapidly evolving digital landscape of business in Nigeria, the adoption of accounting software is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Companies, from burgeoning startups to established enterprises, are constantly seeking efficient ways to manage their financial records, ensure compliance, and streamline operations. When discussing popular accounting and payroll solutions, names like QuickBooks, Sage, Xero, and Zoho Books often come up. But what about Patriot software? Is it mostly used in Nigeria? As an accounting software expert with a keen eye on the African market, particularly Nigeria, I can state with considerable confidence that Patriot software is not predominantly used in Nigeria. While it is a well-regarded and efficient solution in its primary market, the United States, its presence and usage in Nigeria are minimal, if not virtually non-existent, for specific and critical reasons. Understanding Patriot software's core offering. First, let's understand what Patriot software is. Patriot Software is a US-based company that provides online accounting and payroll software, specifically tailored for small businesses and accounting firms. Its main strengths lie in payroll processing. It's highly praised for its user-friendly, full-service payroll, including automatic federal and state tax filings, direct deposit, and employee self-service portals. Accounting features. It offers essential accounting functionalities like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting, profit and loss, balance sheet. Affordability. It's known for being a cost-effective solution, especially for businesses with straightforward payroll needs. US-centric design. Its core strength, especially in payroll and tax compliance, is built around the complex tax laws and regulations of the United States, federal, state, and local. The crucial reason for limited use in Nigeria: localization and compliance. The primary reason Patriot software is not widely used in Nigeria boils down to localization and compliance. Accounting and payroll software are not one-size-fits-all solutions, especially across different countries. Each nation has its unique tax laws, statutory deductions, reporting requirements, and banking systems. Nigeria, for instance, has its own specific set of regulations for PAYE, pay-as-you-earn income tax deducted at source from employees' salaries, with varying rates and bands, pension contributions, mandatory contributions to employee pension schemes, National Housing Fund, NHF, a compulsory contribution towards housing development, Industrial Training Fund, ITF, contribution to a fund for skills development, National Social Insurance Trust Fund, NSIT for employees injured at work or suffering from occupational diseases, value-added tax, VAT applicable on goods and services, with specific rates and reporting, withholding tax, WHT applicable on certain types of income at source. Financial reporting standards. Nigerian businesses adhere to specific accounting standards, which accounting software must be configured to support. Patriot software, being designed and developed for the US market, does not natively support these Nigerian tax laws, compliance requirements, or statutory deductions. It does not integrate with Nigerian tax authorities like FIRS, Federal Inland Revenue Service, or various state inland revenue services for automated filings. Its payroll engine is built to calculate US federal and state taxes, not Nigerian PAYE or other local contributions. Trying to use Patriot software in Nigeria would involve manual tax calculations. You would have to calculate all Nigerian taxes and deductions outside of Patriot software and then manually input the net figures. This defeats the purpose of an automated payroll system and significantly increases the risk of errors and non-compliance. Lack of localized reports. The reports generated by Patriot would not align with the formats required by Nigerian regulatory bodies. No integration with local banks. Direct deposit functionalities would likely not work with Nigerian banks. Absence of local support. Customer support from Patriot software would primarily be for US-specific queries, offering little help with Nigerian accounting and payroll challenges. What software is predominantly used in Nigeria? Instead of Patriot software, businesses in Nigeria typically rely on accounting and payroll solutions that are either globally popular software with strong local presence/customization. Sage, especially Sage 50 and Sage Business Cloud accounting. Sage has a significant footprint in Nigeria and often provides localized versions or strong local partner networks that customize their software for Nigerian tax and compliance requirements. QuickBooks, desktop and online, very popular globally. QuickBooks also has a strong user base in Nigeria. While the core product is international, many local accountants and consultants are proficient in adapting it for Nigerian context. And Intuit, QuickBooks' parent company, sometimes offers region-specific resources or features. Xero and Zoho Books. These cloud-based solutions are gaining traction among Nigerian SMEs due to their affordability, user-friendliness, and some level of local customization or support for multi-currency transactions. Locally developed or heavily localized solutions. There's a growing market of Nigerian-specific accounting and HR/payroll software designed from the ground up to meet local compliance needs. Examples often cited include Tresipos, Cloudinly, Seamless HR, PaydayNG, Ropey, many other smaller, custom solutions tailored for specific industries or compliance nuances within Nigeria. These local solutions often boast features like automated PAYE and VAT calculations, direct integrations with Nigerian banks, generation of specific tax forms, e.g., FIRS forms, and dedicated local customer support.